for the hydraulic decoiler. All the pipe and the cables we will put here. We have this one. We'll put inside, and hydraulic pump will be inside of the decoiler. It's here. It's here. We will put the hydraulic pump inside of the decoiler. We will put it inside. After we put it inside, you need to add the oil inside. For the machine, for the reforming machine, we also need to put the hydraulic oil. Hydraulic oil is number 46. This is the hydraulic oil. And all this one we will take off, but we already mark. You see? We also mark the oil pipe. So after you get decoiler, you need to add the hydraulic oil first, then also do connections. Connections is here, A, B, C, N, and UVW, U1, V1, W1. UVW is for this motor. U1, V1, W1 is for hydraulic motor. You also need to do one thing, is checking whether it's opposite or negative. So checking this one too, checking the motor, this one turning incorrect or different. So the way, if you get it wrong, also change any 203, so it will be okay. And this part is the adjust, speed adjust. This part and this part is for this. This part is for the coil car up and down, and this is for the coil car. It's go inside and go out. And here is the oil pump start. You see, it will start. Here off. We will mark it here also. This is for the decoiler. For the decoiler, you see, when we turn this way, this is correct. You see. And this, when we turn back, it will turn in this way. You see. So this one is for the turn, and this button is for the tension and loosen. Tension and loosen is for here. It's going side, going up, going side, going up. This is all the things. This is the hydraulic decoiler. So after you get hydraulic decoiler, you connect the cables and also checking every function is okay or not. If our manual operation is correct, we also have this one. This one is for the hydraulic decoiler and machine working together. But you must at first do slowly, so let them speed is matching. Decoiler speed matching the reforming machine, so it will be okay. For this part, for feeding, we all already setting, but normally no need your turn. We will do like this. So when you get it, do not turn it. If you turn it, you need to do the liner again. So this is almost everything I can tell you in the video. If you have any questions, you please tell me. And another thing is, you must know this is a limited switch for cutting up and down for limit.